Hello. Welcome back to school. I'm gonna push you guys back just a little. This is the last section, at least for now, of the arithmetic review work that I'm doing. I think I've done like 5 or 6 pages already. It's a lot. Let's see, I did that page. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've done 6 pages, and I have 2 more pages in this section that we're working on, which is dealing with the number 8 and 1/4. The page that we're going to look at deals with drills on 1/4. So we're going to do that page and then whatever page comes after that. Oh my gosh, there's more critters. Alright. Lesson 35, page 35. Hey, these actually look more like quarters, like you could tell what they are. I think they're not apples, but they're something. But you can actually tell what they are, which is nice. I like it when you can tell what the pictures are. Okay. If you have a melon and cut 1/4 of cut 1/4 of it for dinner, how much of the melon will be left? There will be 3/4 left. Or 1/2 and 1/4? I don't know. 3/4 will be left. If you eat 3/4 of the melon, which part of the melon will be left? 1/4. If you eat 3/4, wait, did I just? If we, it says we, okay. If we eat 3/4 of a pie for dinner and 1/4 of it for supper, what part of the pie shall we eat? What? Hold on, I gotta read this again. This is weird. If we eat 3/4 of a pie for dinner and 1/4 of it for supper, what part of the pie shall we eat? The whole thing? I'm going to say the whole thing. If you eat 1/4 of a melon for each day, how many days will it take how many days will the melon last? The melon will only last 4 days. It will only last 4 days. Let's see. We already did that one. If 4 little boys have each 1/4 of an apple, what part of the apple will they have? What part of the apple have they in all? They will all have 1 whole apple. How many days will 3/4 of a pound of sugar last if 1/4 of a pound is eaten each day? I gotta think. 3/4 of a pound. It's only gonna last 3 days. If it takes 1/4 of a yard to braid, to, wait, hold on. If it takes 1/4 of a yard of braid to bind the sheaves, is that sheaves or sleeves of a jacket, how much will it take for 3 sleeves? For 4 sleeves. Oh, that says 2 sleeves. And for 4 sleeves. Oh no, I don't like these. Okay, if it takes a yard to braid or to bind 1 sleeve of a jacket, it's gonna take 3 yards to do 3 sleeves. It's gonna take 2 yards for 2 sleeves, and it's gonna take 4 yards for 1 sleeve. No, that's 4 sleeves. I'm starting to fall asleep. I have a melon to go. After I have gone 1/4. Hold on. I think I misread that. I have a mile. We're talking distance here. I have a mile to go. After I have gone 1/4 of a mile, what part of the mile remains for me to go? You would have 3/4 of a mile left to travel or to go. Next page, 36, lesson 36. I have no clue what these are. One half? I don't know what that is, but it looks really disgusting. And this other one says 2/4. Yeah. I don't know what these are. But continuing. Which is more? 1/2 or 2/4? Oh my gosh. 1/2 or 2/4? They're going to be the same. Because 2/4 notes equals 1/2 note. So they're going to be the same value or the same amount. Okay. Next one. If I have half of an orange and I give you 1/4 of the orange, what part of the orange shall I have left? You shall have 3. Let me see here. Hold on. Oh, you only have a half an orange, and you give me 1/4 of the orange. So you would only have 1/2. You would have 1/4 also. Yeah, you would only have 1/4. If there is 1/2 and a quart of milk in one pitcher, and 1/4 of a quart in another pitcher, how much milk is there in both pitchers? There is 1/2 and 1/4. Okay, there's gonna be 1/4. There's gonna be 3/4. I think it's gonna be 3/4 in both pitchers together. These are getting really hard. If you drink 1/4 of a quart of milk for breakfast and 1/4 of a quart for supper, how much milk will you have drank? 2 quarts, or I guess 1/2 a quart? I don't know. 1/2 a quart. If I buy 3/4 of a pound of butter and use 1/2 of it, 1/2 a pound, what part of the pound will be left? Hold on. You buy 3/4 of a pound of butter, so it's not even a whole pound. And you use 1/2 of a pound. 3/4 of a pound. Let me see here. 3/4. That's a quarter with a dot. So that's 1. Let me see here. You only use half of it. I don't know if you can do that. What part of, hold on, where did it go? Okay, so you buy 3/4 of a pound of butter and use 1/2 of a pound. What part will you have left? Oh, I think you're going to only have 1/4. But that doesn't, let me see. Is it only a quarter that you have left? Because you have, let me see here. 2/4 is equal to 1/2. But you bought 3/4. So you have 1/2 plus a little bit extra. So then, yes, you would only have 1/4 left over. I don't know why I'm thinking about quadrants and minims right now, but that's the only way I can get through this with music notes. Okay, next problem. Ada picked 3/4 of a bushel of berries. She kept 1/4 of the bushel and sold the rest. What part of the bushel did she sell? She sold 1/2 of her bushel. Maybe not 1/2, but she sold 2/4 of the bushel. I guess that's 1/2. I don't know. 2/4 of the bushel is sold. I have 1/2 of a bushel of nuts. How many boxes shall I need if I put 1/4 of a bushel into a box? Okay, so you have, hold on, 1/2 bushel of nuts. And you want to put in 1/4. You're only going to need 2 boxes because there's only 2/4 in 1/2. Yeah. Okay. The last one. There were 2 plates on the table with 1/4 of a pound of dates on each plate. What part of a pound was on both plates? Okay, so we got 2 plates and they each had 1/4 a pound. So you'd have 1/2 pound of dates on both plates put together. And that concludes that section. I'm getting cold. So, I don't know when I'll do this arithmetic thing again, but I'll have to do it again. If you want to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.